Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows shortcut keys stopped working problem. First method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version, click and expand policies and expand Explorer. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as no win keys, change value data to 0. Second method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Human Interface Device Service, change startup type to automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Update driver from my computer. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.